The enemies of Islam, the idol worshippers of Quraysh, spent their day plotting how to assassinate the Prophet ﷺ as they were in Dar al-Nadwa. And the Prophet's habit was ﷺ to sleep after Isha time till midnight, and then he would go at midnight to the masjid and pray night prayer. So that specific day, he instructed Ali to sleep in his bed and to cover himself with the green cloak of the Prophet ﷺ. So anyone who would look would think that it was the Prophet sleeping on his bed. And he told him that do not be afraid, no harm would come to you. They would not kill you or injure you. Now, as they were monitoring and surrounding the house of the Prophet ﷺ, it was next to impossible for him to leave unnoticed. Yet again, he was protected by Allah, the Almighty Azza wa Jal. So he came from the house, taking a handful of the soil of al-batha, of the ground, and spreading it over their heads, repeating the ayah in the Quran in Surah Yasin. So we put in front of them a barrier and behind them a barrier and covered them so that they would not be able to see. And he went between them, putting this soil on their heads, and they're not feeling it, and they're not seeing it. And they were blinded by this. The Prophet went immediately ﷺ to Abu Bakr's house. They left in the darkness of the night from a small door and went as planned.